Now, I would like to request President GAABESU, Anirban Roy, to say a few words about the program. Aurobindra Roy, to say a few words. Sir, please.
Good afternoon to everybody. On behalf of GAABESU, I welcome Professor Debashish Dutta, International Relations and Alumni Affairs, respected Professor A.M. Ghosh, Mrs. Sumita Dottoraj, Chief General Manager, DBC, other respected professors, alumni, and dignitaries present here, my colleagues and beloved students. To first memorial lecture of Legends and Legacies in Electrical Engineering Department of this institution. In memory of Professor Sankar Kumar Sen, and most of the things has already been described by the present head. So in our time, when I was a student, there was a galaxy of teachers here. And Professor Sankar Sen was an excellent teacher, apart from other so many jobs he has done. So now, Professor A.M. Ghosh or other teachers may say something about the who worked with Professor Sen. They may describe certain other things, but with this Legacies and Legends series, there may be other departments too will continue with this type of lecture. And with these few words, I am concluding my speech, and thank you again. Okay, and I hope you will enjoy this memorial lecture. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your valuable talk.